Hello students. So students, we will continue with the same chapter, microorganisms, friend and foe. We have completed this chapter and we have done question and answers also, but some question and answers are still remaining. So we will complete those question and answers in this class. Please open page number 41. See question number 66 under long answer type questions. What is meant by communicable disease? So open page number 30. See here. Can you see in your books? So what is meant by communicable diseases? You can write the answer from here. Don't write those, just write the microbial diseases which can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food or physical contact are called communicable diseases. Okay, so what is the second part of this question? Name any two communicable disease, so that you can name. Okay, question number 66b. What are the various ways in which communicable diseases can occur and spread? Open page number 30. So this you can write from here. The communicable diseases can occur and spread in the following ways. So these are the ways, and write these points, but students try to write in your own points, so in your own words. Question number 67a. Name any 5 human diseases caused by microorganisms. Also name the causative microorganism and mode of transmission of each of these diseases. So you have to name any 5 diseases which are caused by microorganisms. You can write first common cold, which is caused by virus, okay, and how it is transmitted through air. Then another second you can write cholera, it is caused by bacteria and it is spread by how it is spread, or what is the mode of transmission, by infected food or water. Then you can write malaria, causative organism is protozoa, it is plasmodium. Malaria is caused by plasmodium, and the mode of transmission, it is transmitted through a insect. Okay, then you can write which else, chicken pox you can write. Okay, and then you can also write about dengue. Okay, so any 5 you can have to write, and the cause of the microorganism. Okay, name the causative microorganism and the mode of transmission of each of these diseases. 67b part. State the various ways of preventing the occurrence and spreading of communicable diseases. So open page number 31. So you can write these points. The methods, write from your methods for preventing the occurrence and spreading of communicable diseases are as follows, and you can write these points. You can write any 5 points, and again write in your own words. Question number 68, A part. Can you see? 68. What is a vaccine? How does vaccine work? Open page number 28. I have explained this to you in detail. So what is a vaccine? Here you can see on page 28. A vaccine is a special kind of a preparation which provides immunity against a particular disease. How does vaccine works? So that you write from here. A vaccine contains a dead or a weakened but alive microorganism. You can write from here till here. Immunity from a disease. But don't copy paste, write in your own words. Question number 68b part. Why are children given vaccination? Open page number 29. Children are, see here, children are more susceptible to diseases. So the children, don't write, so you write children are more susceptible to diseases. So all the children should be vaccinated at proper age to provide them immunity from certain diseases. Okay, so you can write this answer. Okay, rest we have almost done all the questions here also. Okay, almost all. Some of them are repeated that we have left, but rest all the questions we have done. Question number 40 also we have done. Question number 40, you see, alcohol is produced with the help of yeast. You can write. Blue-green algae fix nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen, or no, blue-green algae fix nitrogen directly from air to enhance fertility of soil. Common salt, this I have given you for homework. Common salt has been used to preserve fish and meat. The food material which is preserved by pasteurization is milk. As a result of nitrogen cycle, the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less same. Okay, so students, we have done almost all the questions, and I would like to say you that don't learn question answers by heart. There is no need to learn. You read the chapter thoroughly, understand the chapter. Each and every part is explained to you in detail. Okay, and not one time, more than one time it is explained. So you just go through the chapter, understand it, and then try to do question answers on your own, not by learning. If you will learn anything by heart, I am sure you will forget within 24 hours. But if you will understand, you will never forget, and plus other things will also become easier for you. So students, please study nicely for your exams. Okay, attempt your paper nicely, read the question properly, and then attempt the questions, and please do write the answers on your own. Don't take help of book or net while attempting question paper. Okay students, so all the best for your exams. Have a nice day. Thank you students.